Hi there, if you're a car dealership or working one, this video is for you. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we investigate and share with you specific actions on how to boost your online marketing skills like never before. Today, we will reveal 6 groundbreaking tips and tricks that captivate your audience, transform your car visuals into irresistible selling tools, and skyrocket your sales. Prepare to dive into a world of visually stunning imagery, expert advice, and cutting-edge technology. We also have a bonus tip, and if you watch to the end, you get to find out. This is the second video of a short 2-part series focused on everything you need to know about car photography. Depend on when you watch this video, we made sure to add part 1 in the comment description and also add it to the end screen of this video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the new videos when they arrive. This video is sponsored by Glow3D.com. We are an all-in-one marketing software for car dealerships. While you do not need us to implement what we will discuss here, we can help you automate it so you can focus on nurturing the leads and turn them into sales. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 5. Mastering the art of light. Lighting is the secret ingredient that brings out the true beauty of any vehicle. Discover the art of harnessing natural light and learn how to create that soft, warm glow on your car's surface. Here are some lighting tricks that you can leverage. Get ready to make your car shine like never before. Natural light. Shoot during the golden hours, which is the period shortly after sunrise and before sunset. The soft, warm light enhances the car's contours and adds a beautiful glow. If shooting under direct sunlight, use a diffuser or shoot in shaded areas to minimize the harsh shadows and create more even lighting across the car's surface. Artificial light. Use a softbox or light tent to diffuse the lighting. This helps create soft, even lighting and highlights the car's detail without harsh reflections or shadows. Also use multiple light sources positioned strategically to illuminate different parts of the car evenly. This ensures that all angles are well lit and minimizes any unwanted shadows of dark spots. Reflectors and fill lights. Reflectors help you bounce light into specific areas of the car. Silver reflectors provide a neutral bounce, while gold reflectors add warmth to the lights. Also, you can use fill lights to reduce shadows and balance the overall lighting. They can be positioned to fill in the areas where natural or artificial light may not reach effectively. The shooting is done, but your journey is not. So let's go to the next tip. Tip number 6, unleashing the power of post-processing. After the shooting, discover the wonders of post-processing and how editing softwares can transform your already stunning photos into masterpieces. Softwares like Glow3D.com can help you automate and thus eliminate the entire process. But if you have the time and access to professional equipment, you can choose raw editor softwares like Adobe Lightroom or Capture One and increase the exposure to reveal more details in shadows or decrease it to prevent overexposure. You can adjust the white balance and increase the saturation selectively to boost the vibrancy of the car's paintwork or specific elements like the body color or the logo. You can also apply selective sharpening to bring out the details in the car's body, headlights, and other distinct features. More interestingly, you can use the spot removal tools or clone stamp tools or the recent AI to remove any distracting elements or blemishes in the image, such as dust, reflections, or unwanted objects in the background, but be cautious when removing larger objects to maintain a natural and seamless look. Blend the edited areas smoothly with the surrounding elements. Lastly, experiment with the various filters or presets to add a specific mood or style to your car photography. Keep in mind that you should avoid overdoing any adjustments to prevent the final results from appearing artificial. We're almost done, but before we get to the bonus tip, I'd like to emphasize that you can do everything we talked about to this point without spending any additional money and by just using free softwares that we have covered in our videos in this YouTube channel. Feel free to browse our videos and find other topics you like. But if you don't have the time or the expertise to do these, softwares like Glow3D will help you automate the entire process. So feel free to reach out to us by visiting glow3d.com. With that said, let's reveal our bonus tip. Bonus tip, AI-powered revolution. DIY car photography apps. Now let's talk about the future of car photography. DIY AI-powered 360 car photography apps like Glow3D. These cutting-edge solutions have revolutionized the way car dealerships capture and showcase their inventory. Let's explore the incredible benefits that these apps offer. When using an AI-powered 360 car photography app, it is a step-by-step guided photography, so it creates consistency. It automatically captures a full 360 spin view of the car, letting potential buyers to virtually explore every angle and details. With this technology, you can effortlessly create interactive video tours and virtual tours of your vehicles, providing an immersive and engaging experience for customers. These apps also offer features such as automatic exposure and color adjustment, ensuring consistent and high-quality visuals. So you can say goodbye to extensive post-processing. The apps automatically syncs these visuals with your inventory management system, making it effortless to update your online listings. Simultaneously, the app enables easy sharing of these visuals on social media platforms, letting potential buyers to interact with your vehicles and generate excitement and interest in your inventory. You can use just a smartphone and complete a lot of tasks that otherwise would take a lot of time, money, and effort. Fascinating, isn't it? Get ready to increase customer engagement and take your dealership to the new high. There you have it, car dealerships, by implementing these expert tips and tricks and embracing the power of AI tools on 360 photography, you will capture stunning visuals that drive sales and set your dealership apart from the competition. So grab your gear, explore exciting locations, and let your creativity soar. If you found this video helpful and exciting, please help us keep going by giving it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car dealers, and hitting that subscribe button. We post one video per week to share more game-changing insights and help you improve your sales and marketing skills and stay ahead in the automotive industry. Don't miss out on our future videos packed with valuable tips, tricks, and industry insights. Stay safe, and we will catch you on our next episode.